In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply Vlookup and Hlookup in Microsoft Excel. We are going to build a small lookup matrix that combines month and ID matching, so you can return the exact result from the table quickly. As we go, watch the sheet closely and try to match both the cell locations and the values. First, set up the header section for your data table. Type ID into cell A1. Next, type into B1. Then type Jan into C1 and Feb into D1. Take a moment to verify that your headers look aligned across the top row, because later your formula will reference these columns to find the correct month. The top row is the key that tells the lookup where each month's data starts. Now you will fill the first row of data beneath those headers. Type P101 into cell A2. Then type sales into cell B2. In cell C2, type 5,000. In cell D2, type 6,000. This row represents one set of values, and it will help demonstrate the find the right column for the month and the right row for the target behavior. With the next row, you are creating a second category under the same ID and month headings. Type P101 into cell A3. Then type cost into cell B3. In cell C3, type 2,000. In cell D3, type 2,500. At this point, your table area from A2 to D3 should contain two categories, sales and cost, with corresponding Jan and Feb values. The structure matters because the lookup will search within this exact range. Next, we will prepare the area where the lookup will be performed. Type target ID into cell F1. Then type target month into cell G1. In cell H1, type target row. This section acts like an input area, where Excel will read your target values before performing the lookup. Having these labels makes your sheet clear and helps you follow the logic later. Now we define the location where the result will appear. Type result into cell I1 to mark that your final matrix lookup output will be placed there. You can think of cell I1 as the destination header. It is where the formula result will be meaningful and easy to read once it is calculated. Before entering the formula, fill in the search inputs on the same row as your headers. In cell F2, type P101. In cell G2, type Feb. In cell H2, type 2. This 2 is the row position Excel will use within the lookup logic, which corresponds to the target row selection in the table setup. Make sure you enter exactly these values in the correct cells, because the formula you will add next will reference them directly. Once everything is set up, click on cell I2. This is the master hybrid lookup results destination cell, meaning this is where Excel will compute the final answer from your table. Clicking the destination cell first helps prevent formula mistakes and ensures the result lands where you expect. Now type the formula exactly into cell I2, Vlookup F2, A2, D3, match G2, A1, D1, 0, false. As you type, pay attention to punctuation and spacing, especially the commas and parentheses. This formula is designed to look up the target ID, then select the correct month column by matching the month text in the header row, and finally return the intersecting value from the matrix table. After entering the formula, press the Enter key. Excel will calculate immediately and return the exact data intersection point based on your chosen target ID, target month, and target row selection. If your sheet is entered correctly, you should see the value appear in cell I2 without delays. That covers everything you need to know.